The Stadio Comunale Stefano Lotti is a football stadium in Poggibonsi, Italy. It is the home of Unione Sportiva Poggibonsi. The stadium has a full capacity of 3,600 and it has 2,513 seats, all of which are numbered and divided into 6 areas: VIP Forum, Central Tribune, North Side Forum, South Side Forum, Stairs Local, Stairs Guest. The peloton has dimensions of 105 by 62 meters and is surrounded on the lawn. Lighting requirements for a set of Pro League athletics. The stadium is provided with all facilities for government regulations, and is equipped with emergency facilities, toilets within each sector, seating for the handicapped, disabled access, newsroom, press center, refreshments for local fans and visitors. See also Unione Sportiva Poggibonsi. Football in the municipality of Poggibonsi.